How to export selected clip in CapCut. Let's get started. Make sure you have already launched your CapCut app and also selected the video that you want to export. So I have selected this one video. You can see that this video includes different clips, but still I'm gonna split this video. After splitting the video, I'm just gonna export this one clip. Now you have to click on the clip that you want to export. Once you select it, right click on it. With that, different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of range and click on the option select as area by clip. Now you can export this video. So go ahead and click on the option of export given at the top right corner. So you can see that this video duration is just 3 seconds. This way you can easily export selected clip in CapCut. By using the same process, you are able to export selected clip in CapCut. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.